Welcome to Harrybilt Engineering, the market leader in rail machine conversions and specialised engineering for over 15 years. With our extensive experience in the rail industry and in close consultation with our clients, Harrybilt have developed a comprehensive range of rail equipment attachments for a wide range of applications. These attachments are based on quality design and manufacturing, suited to the harshest of Australian conditions, to ensure rail infrastructure construction and maintenance works save time and money. With our specialised skill in rail machine conversions and specialised engineering, our project management expertise, full service and parts backup, our customers have the security of knowing their project requirements are comprehensively attended to by our professional team. They can rely on Harrybilt for all their rail construction and maintenance equipment, as we know how to get the job done right.